Okay, today I'm going to show you quickly how to make some quick gołąbkis or stuffed cabbage, which I've pretty much done most of the work. Okay, you go to the store, you get yourself a nice cabbage. Well, this was a lot bigger, obviously. You boil it till the leaves come off easily. You cut the center out. You end up with little leaves like this. You cut the harder core part here so that when you cook them, everything cooks more evenly. An old trick, nursing mothers would put these on their breast after they're done nursing. Okay, it's true, yes. Instead of getting a shot in the ass, like today, nowadays, women would just put a cabbage leaf on each breast and it would dry up the milk naturally, without chemicals. Yeah. So, ladies, remember that tip. Okay. And then you also take rice, you make it, Hamburg, mix it up. And what you do is you put the Hamburg in these little cabbage leaves, and then this is what you come out with. Now, other people may put in more stuff. This is my quick and fast and easy way to do it. You can put your own sauces on it if you like, stewed tomatoes, etc. before you bake them. But I'm just going to use regular spaghetti sauce. I'm going to do that. I'm going to pour this on after and we'll be good to go. And bake it, and yummy. Alright, and there you have a good supper with basically everything, all your food groups, a lot of them in there. So, there you go. And if you have some extra left, you can always, for the cabbage lover in your house, cut it up, put some butter on it. Yum. Have a good day.